Magnesium does many things within the human body. Its physiological functions are essential. Magnesium is a key factor for muscle contractions and relaxation, and it helps neurological signals in muscles. Magnesium also helps mitochondria to produce energy involving enzymes, like break down glucose, where the physiochemical energy is stored. It is crucial to maintain bone health. It works in conjunction with calcium and vitamin D. Through regulating blood pressure, magnesium helps the function of the heart too. Since magnesium increases insulin sensitivity, it is a well-known nutritional supplement for diabetics. Magnesium also balances other minerals and electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, and calcium, to help cells function properly. The synthesis of DNA and RNA and protein is also regulated by magnesium. There are numerous reasons why we should take magnesium regularly. Adequate dietary intake is available through a well-balanced diet. Here are the best food for magnesium intake. Potatoes. Potatoes rich in magnesium. Even potato battery in high school use plenty of magnesium as their energy source through an oxidative chemical reaction. One medium-sized potato contains about 50 milligrams of magnesium. Potatoes are rich not only in magnesium but also in potassium and calcium. With these minerals, potatoes are very helpful to reducing blood pressure, even in patients with hypertension. As seen in a clinical trial, a potato diet is recommended through these mechanisms. Some human cohort studies have reported beneficial association between potato consumption as part of a healthy lifestyle and heart-related health. Also, potatoes may reduce inflammation and metabolic risk. Pumpkin seed. 1 ounce of roasted pumpkin seeds has 156 milligrams of magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are usually condensed as a waste product, but they are rich in minerals, fiber, good fatty acid, and phytosterols. The high magnesium content in pumpkin seed oil is credited with lessening the risk of coronary heart attack. In a study, pumpkin seeds as a dietary supplement have exposed the same effect as the calcium channel blocker drug amlodipine. Additionally, the seed impacts glucose, cholesterol, immunity, liver function, and even prostate gland. Other seeds like sunflower seed and almond also have lots of magnesium too. Leafy greens. Leafy greens contain chlorophyll as it is green. Green vegetables are rich in magnesium because this chlorophyll have magnesium as a form of porphyrin chelate. A cup of spinach has more than 150 milligrams of magnesium, and carrots and Swiss chard have almost the same amount of magnesium. Its intake through these leafy greens is absolutely helpful to lower blood pressure and blood sugar and increase bone mineral density. Experimental and clinical studies suggest magnesium intake may decrease blood triglyceride and increase high-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels. Whole grains. Whole grains, brown eye, quinoa, oats, and wheat are good magnesium sources. Such food not refined have very high content. Refined have generally low magnesium content. Research on whole grain diet on risk of cardiovascular disease. People in the whole grain group have improved total LDL and HDL cholesterol levels than refined grains. Beans. Like whole grain, legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and kidney beans are magnesium-rich source. Tofu made of soybean is also a good choice for intake of magnesium with proteins. Beans also produce potassium, calcium, iron, and many. Water. Water is a variable source of intake. Typically, water with increased hardness has a higher concentration of magnesium salt. The Salt Lake Water Supplement, which has a high natural magnesium content of 7.1%, exert clinical benefit as a magnesium supplement in patients with mild type 2 diabetes mellitus. Water is also a good source of magnesium. That's why we find mineral water. Most of intake of magnesium in US is obtained from vegetables, fruits, grains, and nuts we can find easily. It is also important to take magnesium in proper amount. Excessive intake can lead to toxicity.